So in this video, you'll learn how to view the keyboard shortcuts on your Chromebook. So all you need to do is simply start by launching the Settings app. And then once you've launched Settings, you want to select Device, and under Device, click on Keyboard and Inputs. From here, you want to scroll to the bottom until you see this View Keyboard Shortcuts option. Select that, and it will open up another window that's all about your keyboard shortcuts. So these are the current shortcuts that my Chromebook is using. If you want to customize them, you can just select it or highlight it, and you should see this pencil icon. Click on it and then customize it to your liking. So you can edit it or you can delete it. It's up to you. You'll notice some shortcuts have a padlock icon. This means that they're not shortcuts you can customize, and that they're defaults, so you can't do anything to them. So if you want to change them, you're out of luck. So now it's up to you to go through all this list and find the shortcuts that you'd prefer to edit, or just memorize the shortcuts to make your Chromebook easier to use. You can always choose to reset all shortcuts back to default if you prefer to, just by clicking on this Reset All Shortcuts, and they'll go back to their default options. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.